तो जय मुदीरई। श्री श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत मध्य लीला 22 chapter. Today also very auspicious day, Akshaya Tritiya. Srila Gurudev liked Akshaya Tritiya. Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. He likes this Akshaya Tritiya. He established Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti today. Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti. Today is Akshaya Tritiya day. Lord Brahma, he established today. Today he start counting before creations, time of cow. But this time cannot count. No account this time. So beginning he started today, then he start counting. Before time is one. No count. In the material world, he started. In this way, Satyayug starting from today, this is Satyayuga. Satya, Treta, Dwapar, Kali, 4 yuga. Four yuga, 33 lakh births. 33 lakh, 43,000 lakhs years and 20,000. In this way, 4 yuga. There are now Kali Yuga. Brahma's age, Diparartha time. Diparartha ka. 1 parartha means 50 years. Brahma is 50 years, 1 parartha. 100 years means 2 parartha. This universe or Brahmanda age is 100 years. But 100 years, very long life. Means 100 years is 2 parartha kal. This is very long life. So in this way we see like 360 days means 1 year. There are 12 months, 30 days month, 15 days boxer. In this way, 12 months, there are one day means Brahma place there one day means here 300. One day means here
43.2 billion years. The one.
42.
43.2 billion.
Oh, 43.2
1.2 billion.
billion. In this way, very long day.
那 Brahma 的一天，一个白天的话是43.2亿年，一个白天一个黑夜，总共是多少？86.4亿年一天。
So there, one day is one kalpa.
一天一个白天就是一个 kalpa， 4个100年。
In the earth planet, Bhur, Bhuva, Swaha.
在这个地球上
Three planet dies.
三个居所
Also sun, no sun. Sun disappear.
这是死亡时间，对。
After that,
死亡时间那个时候已经没有。
next day morning,
那在这个时间过去之后，第二天早晨，
has sun coming.
太阳升起，
By the sun, new sun.
这是新日。
In this way, demigod,
那新日的时候，
all
所有
demigods
的大
change.
神人，他们都要改变
And
装。
everyone, all are new creations, everything new.
每个人都是新创造出来的，所有的面孔都是新面
And
孔，
this sun
充
already
满新鲜。
disappeared, dies.
也就是说，在今日之前的所有的太阳都已经灭亡了，而且
Every day sun coming and going.
3个时间的时候，
There are 7 planets, always sunlight,
那在这个新生之
everywhere light.
一天，所以太阳新日出现之后，照亮7个星宿，7个星
This
宿，
sunlight coming.
天堂星宿，
Other way, one kalpa,
一个一个
one day.
代表的是佛妈的一天一天。
But Brahma's life 50 years, one kalpa. 50 years
50
before was Padma kalpa,
他50岁
now is
50
Setvaraha.
年代，那50个高考年代过去，他的一个是高考年代，一种是他的。
In this way we are chanting mantra,
所以，在他
Sankalpa mantra,
我们就要念诵这个三
Om Vishnu Om Tat Sat Adya Brahmano Ditya Pararthi.
12号中，
Om Vishnu Om Tat Sat Adya. Adya means today. Brahmano Ditya Pararthi. Brahma is second Pararthi. Ditya Pararthi.
这代表 Brahma 的第二个。
Brahmano Ditya Pararthi Sedvaraha Kalpi. This Kalpa name is Sedvaraha
这
Kalpa.
个 Kalpa
Vaivassatakha Mannanta.
为完善的第，
Vaivassatakha Mannantare.
完善的科慢慢的里，
Vaivasvat Manuj time.
为完善的慢慢的时间。哦，
Now is Sapta Manu, 7th Manu, Vaivasat.
现在的话是
But Vaivasat Manu's time,
在第7个
28 Chatur Yuga, 4 Yuga.
总共28
So
个，
27, 4 Yuga passed. 28 Chatur Yuga, there are, this is Kali Yuga. This Kali Yuga, in the Kali Yuga,
means this is 7 copper，
and 7th Manu.
7th Manu， 第7个，现在我们是在第7个
7th
Manu
Manu's
的
time,
28个
28 Chatur Yuga.
第28个，
In the Chatur Yuga, 3 Yugas already passed.
在这第28个的
now
4个加年的一个循环，第28个循环之中的第4个卡利年代之中，现在
In the Kali Yuga,
在这个卡利年代之
so
中，
there are 5,100
已经过了5,100
160, 26 years already passed.
现在已经过的是卡林年代的5126年。这是第7个玛努，首先是从主布拉玛时间算起，主布拉玛的第2个普拉塔，代表是第2个50岁，就从51岁开始算起，开始第2个普拉塔时间，然后这是布拉玛的大宇宙时间，然后再到我们是现在第7个玛努的时间之中的第28个瑜伽4个瑜伽的年代循环之中的第28个循环的卡利年代。卡利年代之中现在已经过了5000，我都在查，5100多年。这就是我们每次宣誓的时候，时间都非常具体化，已经具体到是每天每日每夜每个时间。
This is Kali Yuga. So today,
所以在这个卡
this
利年代
Akshaya Tritiya day
，5120
in Badrinath
在
Dham,
今天，在保真纳的圣地，保真纳
in
修养，
Badrikashram,
保真纳修养，
Badrinarayan temple
在保真纳南阳的修养。
opened the door.
今天的话开门日，
And today they start puja,
在今天的话他们开始
Badrinath,
对这个保真纳的
Badrinarayan, Badrivishal.
保真纳南阳的保真为12这个神像进行崇拜。今天的是。
This is called Badrinath.
怎么称是保真纳堂？咦？
জল পড়ছে তো। Other way, today is Chandan Yatra.
今天也是檀香节。
Today start, today to 21 days will be Chandan Yatra.
到之后的21天
Because this is summer season.
檀香节。
Now in summer season, too much hot.
现在是夏季，非常炎热。
All devotees, they are given Chandan paste to
给
beat
檀
it.
香酱，给神像涂檀香酱，是神像保持。
Because Lord Sri Krishna
这个时候是 Krishna
request to Madhavendra Puripad.
请求马德温的护理，
O Madhav Puri,
哦，马德温的护理
you are serving me.
总是服务我。这个是
I am very satisfied, I am very happy, but I am feeling so much hot.
他说你总是服务我，我很满意。但是
If you bring Chandan paste, you bring Chandan and give him sandalwood paste,
如果你能拿一些
then my body
檀香
become cool.
因此的话，你们用檀香浆是知道我的身
In
体上
this way, you bring Chandan.
长清凉，所以你要带
So 500 years ago,
就是在500
more than 500 years ago,
500
Srila Madhavendra Puripad came Vrindavan Dham to
那个时候是马德温的护理
Navadip.
500多年前。
After Navadip, he went
当我们去到那个地方，
Khichura Gopinath
就
Balesha.
在就在这个路途之中，他遇见了他的神
So
除了口
Gopinath, he stole and kheer
那
for
个
him.
勾比纳的这个神像名字叫做偷田奶饭。
In this way, his name was Khichura Gopinath.
就是偷奶，偷这个田奶饭。
After then, Madhavendra Puripad
就是
went to
发现
Puri
这个神
Dham.
像，并且就服务这个神像。
He took so much chandan,
铺里，然后在铺里的话带回来很多的这个檀
many
香。
quantities, so lot of chandan bring. from there. After that, Gopinath told, I am Gopal, I am Gopinath, same, non different. You give me chandan paste here, because this is summer season, this time I need. Madhavendra Puripad said to Gopinath, Khichura Gopinath, give him chandan paste to him. In this way, today is very famous in India, everywhere, all temples. Devotees, they are giving chandan paste to deity. Sri Krishna's body, all body, chandan paste, chandan singa. Everywhere very beautiful also. Sri Ramana Bihari Gauriya Math, Sri Rup Sanatana Gauriya Math,
还有
Sri Kesavji Gauriya Math, Mathura, everywhere Sri Krishna deity full Chandan paste.
都会有整个台上一幅嘛，
Devotees are serving
都现在
many days making Chandan paste, as today they are putting Chandan paste to deity.
给神像开始
In this way, very famous, today is Chandan festival day,
今天是台上香节的第一天，
Chandan Jatra.
香的大会。
Today is very famous, our Guru,
今天也非常闻名。
Srila Param Guru Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pragyani Kesava Goswami Maharaj, established Gauriya Vedanta Swami. He told all Vedanta theory, speaking about Bhakti. Vedanta Shastra describes about Bhakti. Not only karma, not only jnana or other yoga.
不是只有这个知识和
Vedanta Shastra spoke
只有知识
Bhakti.
和活动。
In this way he started Bhakti Vedanta or Gauriya Vedanta.
Bhakti Vedanta
Vedanta Tatparya, Vedanta Commentary, Vedanta
这就代表维丹
essence
这些评论，维丹他的这些
is
实
Bhakti.
质精要。
In this way he established Bhakti Vedanta and Gauriya Vedanta
所以今
Samiti.
天的话，在这里的 Bhakti Vedanta 和 Gaudiya Vedanta 这两
Gauriya means
主要的这个哲学。
who is worshipper of Radharani.
那 Gaudiya 就代表的是崇拜热的。
Mostly worship to Radharani. Without Radha, they never believe alone Krishna.
大部分的
In this way, they are worshipper of Radha
这
Krishna.
是 Krishna。所以
Gauriya means
Gaudiya 就代表的是
mostly worshipper of Radharani.
大部分的
In this way, Gauriya Vedanta Samiti, Vedanta Tatparya, Vedanta essence is Gauriya Radha.
的实质和精要就是
She is almost full ras. Sri Krishna always tasting full ras.
是 Krishna 总是
In this way, Gauriya Vedanta Samiti.
Gaudiya Vedanta 三昧体。
Other way, Gauriya Vaishnava,
三个
they are
古代和的阿弥。
mostly following today this Gauriya Vedanta Samiti. Gurudev told, today is a very auspicious day. If you want anything new, new project, new shop, everything have new, then you can start today. Open a center, open a place, establish teaching, or you start work, you can worship. And today you can do Sankalpa Bhava. In this way, very auspicious today, Akshaya Tritiya. Other ways, Srila Madhavendra Puripad, who are Premik devotee. Prem Bhakti start from Madhavendra Puripad. Madhavendra Puripad was radical devotee. Always deep separations. In Chaitanya Charitamrita described, Srila Madhavendra Puripad always spoke one verse.